Hello there and welcome. We're at 55 Vandewater, apartment number 3. We've got a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, gas stove, nice sized refrigerator, nice big huge light filled great room in here. Definitely enough room for a dining room table, couch, everything you need. Extra shelving and storage for you. And then we've got these sliding doors that lead into the bedroom. Good amount of space, lots and lots of closet space, so built-in closets here. And then we'll go ahead and we'll step on into the bathroom. 1 sink, nice shower here, and toilet combination. Best feature of this one is the outside deck. It is absolutely huge. So go ahead and take a little peek out here. Lots and lots of space. Room for lots of potted plants. Barbecue. And on a sunny day, this is going to be absolutely gorgeous. So thank you so much for joining us here at 55 Vandewater.